This is exciting. This is my brand new van. This is a 1968 Dodge A108. And this one's been turned into a camper by a company called Travco. They call it the family wagon, and that's the high top on it, and the camper interior it had at one point was done by Travco. This thing is awesome. Now, if you've been following along and you know me, you know that I've had a bunch of Volkswagen vans, and I thought it might be fun to try the American versions and see what I think of that. And I gotta say, man, I am loving the design of this thing. This is in incredibly good shape. I picked it up in Phoenix, Arizona, and hauled it back on a trailer all the way here to Missouri. It's got a little bit of rust. It was in California for a while. Looks like the last time it was registered and running was 2005. But it does run right now. I can start it. It's not super happy about it, but it does run. And it looks like the previous owner replaced a few random things. I'm still kind of taking inventory on what's old and what's new. I am so excited. I'm so eager to get started and clean this up and get it on the road and put a custom interior into it. I think I'm going to document the process. People seem to enjoy watching custom camping interiors go into vans, so maybe I'll make some videos of that. I don't know. But here is the van. Now, some commonly asked questions. The box on the side here, this is where the propane went. That may come out. I don't have any use for it. I'll just use little propane canisters if I'm going to use propane at all. Another cool feature I love on this thing is that when you open the door on the side here, it pulls a step out that you can step onto to make getting into the vehicle a little easier. It doesn't have the bar that connects it right now, and I suspect I'm going to have to disassemble it to make sure the locking mechanism is working right, so it'll hold weight. But it does have the step, and it's so cool. The dash all needs to be redone. The floor's got a few little rust spots I got to clean up. It's an automatic. It's not a 3 on the tree. It is an automatic, but it does have the brights on the floor, in case you're curious. The engine in this is a 318 V8, which should be a whole lot more power than I'm used to in the old VWs. This thing should be 200 something horsepower, which should move me a little bit, but I'm a little bit scared because it's drum brakes all the way around. There are disc brake kits that they sell that I may give a try. We will see. I just don't even know what I'm going to do yet. So I'm going to redo the electrical, get the mechanical in shape, and get it licensed and driving. Then once it's licensed and driving, I can take my time redoing the interior, you know, at my own pace. I just found out that there's a Krylon Fusion color that matches this blue perfectly, so I can touch up the interior parts that are going to be seen, maybe redo the dash because it's pretty. Man, I'm so excited. Be sure to stay tuned to see more of this beautiful, beautiful vehicle in the future. See you later.